The U.S. Air Force's fiscal year 2026 budget outlines a substantial $365.086 million allocation aimed at upgrading the HC/MC-130 aircraft family, with the bulk of efforts focused on modernizing the MC-130J Commando II, its premier special operations platform. These funds are earmarked to strengthen mission-specific capabilities, especially for stealthy infiltration, extraction, and logistical support in hostile or denied environments. This comprehensive investment spans aircraft system modifications, updates to training simulators, and key upgrades to ensure survivability and interoperability in increasingly contested domains. Since entering the fleet in 2011, the MC-130J has served as the Air Force's first dedicated special operations variant of the C-130 Hercules. As of mid-2025, the service has taken delivery of 64 MC-130Js, part of a broader HC/MC/AC-130J acquisition totaling 134 units. With an average 27.2 years of operational life remaining, based on a projected 35-year lifespan, no new MC-130J units will be acquired in FY 2026. However, the budget includes $10.117 million for post-delivery support and $17.986 million for shared sustainment efforts across the HC/MC fleet, targeting logistics, lifecycle management, and parts obsolescence. The 2026 budget launches or continues several key upgrade initiatives. The MC-130J Increment 2 package, which has previously received $39.676 million in funding, enhances mission systems. Integration of Link 16, funded earlier at $4.42 million, bolsters real-time data sharing with Allied and Joint Force platforms. A new program titled MC-13 receives $3.899 million to advance survivability and electronic warfare capabilities. Other avionics improvements include the LRCM system for defense against infrared threats and a broadband antenna for robust communications. A sizable $83.714 million chunk is dedicated to furthering the Airborne Mission Networking (ABMN) system, ensuring the MC-130J can operate within a secure and resilient digital battlespace. Training infrastructure isn't left behind. The Air Force sets aside $21.728 million for simulator enhancements to mirror real-world mission changes, along with $0.583 million for low-cost aircraft modifications. Although the resilient positioning, navigation, and timing (RPN) system remains on the development roadmap for GPS-denied scenarios, it receives no direct funding in this budget cycle. Additional dollars support hardware refreshes, stopgap solutions for outdated systems, and improvements related to maintenance and operational safety. The MC-130 lineage stretches back to the Vietnam War, where the platform was covertly adapted for special missions under programs like Project Thin Slice. The MC-130E Combat Talon I introduced terrain-following radar and the iconic Fulton recovery gear. In the decades that followed, variants such as the MC-130H, P, and W emerged, each improving navigation, electronic warfare, and mission flexibility. The final legacy MC-130H aircraft was retired in April 2023, completing the transition to the MC-130J as the sole Special Ops C-130 model in service. Purpose-built from the ground up, the MC-130J replaces all earlier models and incorporates modernized survivability and mission systems. Based on the Block 6.5 KC-130J airframe, the aircraft performs a variety of roles, from covert airland/airdrop insertions to aerial refueling of helicopters and tiltrotors. Operating primarily at night and often in sensitive environments, the Commando II includes advanced features such as a digital cockpit, reinforced wings, universal aerial refueling hardware, and enhanced defensive systems. The aircraft is actively deployed across theaters, notably in the Indo-Pacific, Europe, and the Middle East. It plays a key role in joint operations, supporting partner forces in exercises like Talisman Sabre and multinational training events in Poland. With aerial refueling capabilities for rotary wing platforms like the MH-60 and MH-47, the MC-130J supports dynamic deployment strategies, forward basing, and rapid response missions. Its communications and navigation enhancements make it equally effective in conventional warfare, irregular conflicts, or humanitarian relief operations in degraded environments. Each MC-130J carries a price tag of roughly $114.2 million and is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce AE2100D3 turboprop engines, each delivering 4,591 shaft horsepower. The aircraft spans 40.4 meters in wingspan, measures 29.8 meters in length, and stands 11.8 meters tall. It boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 74,389 kilograms, can transport up to 19,050 kilograms of payload, and flies as high as 8,500 meters over a distance of 4,800 kilometers. The standard crew configuration consists of 2 pilots, a combat systems officer, and 2 special mission aviators. Though procurement of new aircraft has ceased for now, the Air Force is committed to operating the MC-130J well into the 2050s through a continuous cycle of upgrades, sustainment, and system evolution tailored to tomorrow's combat environments.